Big weather day. You've called for a Storm 5 alert with the morning commute about to start.
It's not the best time. And this is our second wave. You know, we had the first wave that was yesterday. The second wave has already started. So it's going on top of areas that are already fully saturated. So some rainfall has nowhere to go.
So is flash flooding still a concern for some areas?
And Ben, sadly it is. It really is. It is for some locations just to our north and west. So let's go over it together. The first thing I want you to know is you're going to be okay because you know what to do. There's no need to fret. There are no tornado warnings. There's not even a tornado watch. But we do have flood concerns outside right now. Here's a live look for you over in Dixon. Been seeing a lot of lightning flickering outside of this sky cam. Of course, right now it's deciding to be a little shy. Here's a look at our severe thunderstorm watch. These are not warnings. We're nearly watching for the potential for a warning as some of these cells do start to be a little more concerning. This watch will be with us until 10 o'clock this morning. Here's a live look at the Power 5 radars. If you're closer to the Alabama-Tennessee state line, you're not dealing with anything. However, the rest of us, we are saturated. We've got a lot of cloud to ground lightning, and of course, it is very loud. Right now, heavy showers continue to go over the same spots, over parts of Murray, Puryear, pushing over into Carlisle, parts of Waverly, going into Dixon right now. These are heavy, and they are also really steady. Over to our east, going to Gallatin, Carthage, it's still pretty steady. However, it's not as heavy as what we are seeing in other locations. All of this is going to continue to move its way south and east. Currently, it's trending right around 35 miles per hour. The most rain we've received within the past 24 hours has been to our north and off to the west. Some areas upwards of 4 to even 5 inches. When you have poor drainage, that means things start to pile up and the water does rise. We're seeing that in a few spots just to our north and off to the west. So Henry and Weakley counties, y'all are under a flash flood warning, meaning we're actively seeing some areas, not all, but some, that are starting to flood. You know those back roads. You know where the creeks start to rise. You know that little cul-de-sac that just has zero drainage issues. That's what I'm concerned about right now, Henry, Weakley until 5:45. Then we have aerial flood advisories. Just think about, hey, we're really going to notice water on the roadways. And that's what I'm seeing right now over in Benton, Henry counties, as well as Houston, Humphreys, Stewart counties until 7:45. I also have another cluster of locations over in Macon, Sumner, Charlesdale, as well as Wilson. That's into 7:45. So remember, it is a real concern, aerial, that you're going to have some standing water in the poor drainage locations and lower lying locations. Outside of those warnings and watches, as well as advisories, we do have a flash flood watch for just about everybody. And that's going to be with us until noon today. So you've got severe thunderstorm watch until 10. We have the flood watch until noon. All those cells that we currently have that are quite electric, they're going to continue to move their way south and east. They're going to start to spread shortly out from the west to the east. So that's going to consume a lot of us, and that will continue to move its way down to our south. My concern stays the same today as it was yesterday for us. Wind and flooding will be their main issues, and we're already seeing that obviously in the way of some wind concerns. Your 7-day forecast, highs today 91. If you're off to our west, actually areas over into Benton, Decatur counties, y'all are going to be under a heat advisory because it's going to feel closer to 100 to 105. We'll have another band moving in tomorrow morning, and then we'll start to taper things off. So Amelia, the weekend's looking great. It's going to be dry. It's going to be comfortable with those highs in the upper 80s. But right now, standing water is a main concern, even on some of our major roadways.
Yeah, and we've already